In today's video, I want to guide you on how to delete a partition on your Windows PC, Windows 10 and Windows 11. Here I have three partitions, local disk, this and this. So I want to remove this one and extend it to this particular one. It's very simple. Take a look at what I have here as free space is about 100 gigabytes. So to do so is very simple. Now your keyboard, combine two keys, Windows plus arrow key, to bring you to this interface. Now type in disk mgmt.msc. Make sure that you write the correct spelling, diskmgmt.msc. Click the OK, use the enter button on your device. It comes out like this. Now let me expand this. So here is what I want to extend this backup, which is H button or H drive. Before I move on, let me tell you something. You need to back up whatever you have on that particular partition you want to delete and extend, because once you do that, everything on that partition will be wiped off. So now, once you've taken note of that, right click on it, click on delete volume, click on yes, wait a few seconds. Now that has been deleted. You see that it's now unallocated. It's useless, but you need to extend it either to your D drive or your C drive, but I want to use to my D drive. So now on my D drive, right click on it, click on extend volume here. You see it here, guys. Then click on next. Now you see what is here. Virtually this is exactly what is here, about 8 gigabytes. Now click on next. You see it here. Then click on next again. Wait a few seconds. That has been extended. It has been extended here. So close this one. Come to the window again and open it. You have it here, guys. You can see it has extended and I have deleted the partition on this. That's all, guys, on how to delete any partition on your C drive or on your drive on your Windows PC and extend to any of the partition you have on your drive or to a single one. If you enjoy what I've explained in this video, guys, and if you don't subscribe, please subscribe. Don't forget to like and share. Drop a comment in the comment section and see you soon in my next video.